Imagine getting paid just for working, no extra work and no hidden tricks. That's exactly what Sweatcoin promises. But can you actually make money with it, like they say? And even when you make money with it, how do you withdraw your earnings from this particular app? Let's find out today and see if you can turn your steps into some real cash. So type working in the comments below if you would love to make money just by working.
Bring me my money.
This money.
So first, what is Sweatcoin? Sweatcoin is a free app that actually tracks your steps and rewards you with Sweatcoins, which is their own cryptocurrency. These digital coins can actually be used for discounts, gift cards, and even exchanged for other cryptocurrencies. Now, the app has over 100 million users worldwide. And from what I can see so far, the app is definitely legit because it's been featured in Forbes and BBC. And the good news about it is it works worldwide. So without any further ado, let's get started to see how you can make up to $100 just by working like you do every single day. So we'll be making use of two apps. The first app is the Sweatcoin app, and the second one is the Sweat Wallet app. The Sweatcoin app is for recording your steps, while the Sweatcoin wallet is to store the money that you're making from the Sweatcoin app. So step one is to download and set up the Sweatcoin app. What you have to do is click on the link in the description down below, and then you sign up, allow step tracking, which is GPS enabled for better accuracy. So once you have set up your account, you can just start working and the app automatically converts your steps into Sweatcoins. Okay, so right now to install the Sweatcoin app, you come to the App Store right now. Remember I said it can work both on your iPhone or your Android. You click on the search button right here, come right here, and then you type Sweatcoin. As you can see right there, just click on search, and to come up with this, because it's already installed on my phone, you're going to see this first option right here that says Sweatcoin Working Steps Tracker. If you click on it, you'll be able to install this. So because it's already on my phone, I'm not going to install it again. The second app is the Sweat Wallet. As you can see right here, you just come right here, and then if you click on it, you'll be able to install it right about now. So as you can see right here, this Sweat Wallet and the Sweatcoin, they are currently on my phone. For us to get started, you just click on this Sweatcoin right here. I've already taken some steps for today. You can actually see from the steps history right here, these are some awards that you can actually make from the app as well. Now if you click on this icon right here that says reward, you can see definitely you can see scratch cards that you can make from here. If you click on this end icon right here, you can see other categories that you can earn from. There are gadgets that you can actually get as well from all of this, and you can see how easy it is. Free daily sweat coins that you can actually get from here. Of course, if I click on claim right now, you just have to watch this ad right here, and then you can just make money from it. So while this is going on, you can see the reward is going to come to you in this amount of seconds that is right here. You just have to watch the ad and you're good to go. You're going to see at the top here where it says rewards in 12 seconds, 11 seconds, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and check this out. It says reward granted, as you can see right there. So I've actually earned this reward just for watching that video. I'm just going to close that, and you can see 2 out of 6 sweat coins and only 2 claims to go. So I can keep doing this until that's done for today, and I can do that again tomorrow. All right. So if you come to home right here, you can see today I've already walked 2,000 steps, and my target for the day is, you can see daily goal is 7,000 steps. The next thing is you can come right here to this Sweat Wallet. If you click on this Sweat Wallet app right here, yes, it brings you right here where you can now see the steps. Right now, one sweat coin is now approximately about 7,400 steps, as you can see in the app right there. So right now your balance is going to be reflecting right here once that's actually synchronized from the Sweatcoin app to the Sweatcoin wallet. Then you can actually, from here, you can transfer, you can trade it. If you click on transfer right here, you can actually transfer it and or send it to anybody else. From here, you can also withdraw your sweat coins. There are several rewards that you can actually make from this Sweatcoin apps right here. These are some other means or measures that you can actually also use to make money from the Sweatcoin app right here. If you click on play hub, you can actually play and earn more Sweatcoin is available in that particular area where you can play some games on Telegram, and then you can make money. And one interesting thing about this icon right here that says grow, if you click on it, you can make up to 12% of your Sweatcoin per year. Put your sweat in a jar and grow it by up to 12% per year, which simply means that whatever money you leave in your Sweatcoin wallet, you can actually grow it up to 12% per year if you just click on this button right here and then you start growing it. So it's really that easy, and this is just money you make by the side just by walking. So if you're strolling around, walking around your house, or doing your home chores, or going to work, or whatever you're doing, it's so interesting to just make money just by walk. So step 2 is a method where you can earn sweat coins faster. You can use daily rewards by opening the app, and then you click on the daily rewards or bonuses that comes up. You can also invite friends, and each referral earns you extra sweat coins. And of course, if you want to earn even more, you can upgrade to the premium versions, and premium users actually earn double sweat coins per step. In a scenario where you are earning 1 point per step, as a premium user you earn 2 steps per step. That's just how it works. So step 3 is for you to convert the Sweat coins into Sweat crypto using the Sweat wallet. So what you have to do is to download the Sweat wallet app. Once you've done that, you sign up on the Sweat wallet using your Sweatcoin account. So your earnings that are coming from the Sweatcoin app can reflect in the Sweatcoin wallet, and you can transfer your earnings seamlessly. Step 4 is just for you to withdraw your earnings. And of course, you have several options that you can use to do this. You can exchange your Sweat for gift cards or discounts within the app. Option 2 is that you can transfer your Sweatcoin crypto to an external crypto wallet like Binance, KuCoin, etc. And option 3 is to convert your Sweatcoin crypto to USDT or BTC or even your local currency via an exchange, and then you can withdraw that to your local bank account. Whichever one of these 3 options that works for you, that's pretty good. So another question is, how much can you really make, right? So let's break down the numbers. For you to hit this $100 mark, first of all, need to calculate how many steps is equal to 1 sweat coin. As at the time of making this video, every 7,000 steps is approximately 1 sweat coin for free users and 2 sweat coins for premium users. So in a day, if you walk over 70,000 steps, you can earn up to 10 to 20 sweat coins. So in a month, that's about 600 sweat coins or more. So to convert this to real money, we first of all need to find out how much 1 sweat coin is to $1. And again, as of the time of making this video, 1 sweat coin is approximately 0.005154 cents. So 600 sweat coins is going to be approximately $3 to $10 worth of sweat coin tokens. Some users actually earn over $100 if they stay consistent and take advantage of the bonuses that actually comes with it. Sweatcoin is actually a fun and easy way to earn rewards passively, and it's not a get rich quick scheme. But still, if you're already working every day, why not get rewarded for it? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more ways to earn online. And don't forget to check out this next video right here where I review more apps that actually pay you every day for activities. Until next time, my name is Bliss. I'll see you in the next video.